The night is so beautiful. I take every chance I can to step out, to look at the sky after sun is gone. Here, tonight, the moon and the clouds play, chasing each other. Distant star twinkles, and the frogs are crazy, calling as seems they want the rain, so they can have puddles and they can play. Sometimes, when it's really warm, the fireflies get busy too, and a cricketer too. This immense, soothing calmness that embraces night is like the arms wrapped by the universe to call us to rest, to take a moment to pause from the daily chaotic world where we make the ends meet. Night falls, extended arms, come, come, it says. Just take a moment to breathe, let your soul rest. I hardly ever miss a chance to step out. After the day's busy hours are gone, the sun is resting, and I step out to embrace the darkness. There's such a beautiful thing in the dark world. The day and the night are like two friends. They follow each other. There is a message from the universe. Embrace this solace.